Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sausage and peppers is a beloved, hearty dish, and today we're making it perfectly. It's incredibly satisfying, packed with savory flavors, and surprisingly simple to prepare right in your own kitchen. Whether you're looking for a quick family meal or something delicious to share with friends, this recipe is a true crowd pleaser. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you achieve that authentic taste and texture every single time. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic, flavorful meal. For our delicious sausage and peppers, quality ingredients are key. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of Italian sausage. Pick sweet or hot, whatever suits your taste. Grab 2 or 3 large bell peppers in different colors. Red, green, or yellow work beautifully, and 1 large onion. Slice these vegetables into thick strips. A little olive oil, some garlic, and a pinch of salt and pepper will round out our simple list. Having everything chopped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. The first crucial step is browning your sausages properly. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add your sausages and cook them, turning occasionally until they're beautifully browned on all sides. This deep sear develops incredible flavor and locks in juices, creating a fantastic base for our dish. Once they've achieved that lovely golden brown crust, remove the sausages from the pan and set them aside. Don't worry, they'll return later to finish cooking through. Now it's time to build more flavor. In the same skillet, using the rendered fat from the sausage, add your sliced onions and bell peppers. Sauté them over medium heat, stirring occasionally until they are nicely softened and start to caramelize, which usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. This step draws out their natural sweetness. Once tender, nestle your seared sausages back into the pan among the vegetables. Pour in a half cup of water or chicken broth, ensuring everything has enough liquid to simmer gently. With the sausages returned and liquid added, it's time for the final stretch. Cover the skillet and let everything simmer gently for about 20 to 25 minutes. This allows the sausages to cook through completely and the flavors to meld beautifully. The vegetables will become wonderfully tender, absorbing all those delicious juices. Once done, uncover, give it a quick stir, and taste for seasoning. Serve this incredible dish on toasted Italian rolls, over pasta, or simply on its own. Enjoy your homemade classic, it's truly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.